In this comprehensive YouTube video, we provide a detailed and step-by-step guide to help you stay awake and alert while driving, reducing the risk of drowsy driving accidents. Drowsy driving is a serious issue that can lead to accidents, injuries, and even fatalities, but with the right strategies and techniques, you can ensure your safety on the road. Join us as we break down the essential steps to prevent drowsiness and maintain focus behind the wheel. Step 1. Prioritize quality sleep. Learn how to establish healthy sleep habits and prioritize getting enough rest before hitting the road. We'll discuss the importance of consistent sleep schedules, creating a comfortable sleep environment, and avoiding stimulants like caffeine and electronic devices before bedtime. Step 2. Plan your route and schedule. Discover how proper route planning and scheduling can help you avoid driving during your body's natural sleep patterns. We'll share tips for planning breaks and rest stops along your journey to give yourself time to recharge and stay alert. Step 3. Stay engaged and alert. Explore techniques for staying engaged and focused while driving, including staying hydrated, listening to upbeat music or podcasts, and engaging in conversation with passengers. We'll also discuss the benefits of taking regular breaks to stretch your legs and refresh your mind. Step 4. Recognize warning signs of drowsiness. Learn how to recognize the warning signs of drowsiness, such as yawning, heavy eyelids, and difficulty focusing. We'll discuss the importance of acknowledging these signs and taking immediate action to address them before they escalate. Step 5. Use defensive driving techniques. Discover defensive driving techniques to help you anticipate and avoid potential hazards on the road, even when you're feeling fatigued. We'll cover strategies for maintaining a safe following distance, scanning the road ahead, and staying vigilant at all times. Step 6. Know when to pull over. Understand the importance of knowing your limits and knowing when it's time to pull over and take a break. We'll discuss how to find safe locations to rest, such as rest areas, parking lots, or designated rest stops, and how to prioritize your safety above all else. By following these detailed steps and implementing proven strategies for staying awake while driving, you can protect yourself and others on the road from the dangers of drowsy driving. Don't let fatigue jeopardize your safety. Take proactive steps to stay alert and focused behind the wheel. Join us in our mission to promote safe and responsible driving practices.